Hey there! If you're on a relentless journey to achieve sustainable weight loss, you're not alone. I've been there too, caught in the loop of restrictive diets and exhausting workouts, with little to show for my efforts. But what if I told you there's a science-backed solution? A few months ago, I found myself at a critical crossroads. Despite trying popular methods like keto, intermittent fasting, and high-intensity training, my progress was virtually non-existent. My energy levels were always low, my metabolism seemed stuck, and those food cravings, relentless. It was frustrating, and I began to lose hope. Then I discovered LeanBliss. Initially, I was skeptical. So many supplements promise miracles but deliver nothing. But LeanBliss was different. It's an all-natural weight loss supplement backed by scientific research, designed to enhance metabolic efficiency, regulate appetite, and support sustainable fat loss. What's inside LeanBliss? Clinically validated ingredients that align with cutting-edge nutritional science. This formula targets key physiological processes, promoting an environment where efficient fat metabolism and balanced energy thrive. And let me tell you, the results were astounding. Within weeks of incorporating LeanBliss into my routine, everything changed. My energy levels surged, my appetite significantly decreased, and for the first time in years, I felt in control of my weight. I didn't have to cut calories drastically or follow unsustainable exercise regimens. My clothes started fitting better, my confidence was restored, and weight management no longer felt like an impossible task. Here's why LeanBliss stands out. It's not just another weight loss supplement. It's a strategic intervention for those committed to long-term success. Free from harmful additives and backed by rigorous scientific scrutiny, LeanBliss ensures you're making an informed decision about your health. It promotes an optimal metabolic state and sustainable fat loss, allowing you to achieve and maintain your desired weight without crash dieting or extreme deprivation. So, if you're ready to break free from the cycle of ineffective weight loss strategies, LeanBliss might be the solution you've been searching for. Don't wait. Click the link below to discover how LeanBliss can transform your weight loss journey. Your future self will thank you, energized, confident, and free from the frustrations of weight stagnation. Take the first step to better health with LeanBliss today. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. See you next time.